0.58 inches below the normal amount of 0.59 inches for June. The total winds from the 70s across the north. National weather. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio from Punxsutawney.
Broke.
Locally, thunderstorms can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazards.
There's another one.
Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at about 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of the broadcast and alarm will vary at each location. This variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: KEB 98 Buffalo and WWG 32 Little Valley. The counties of Allegheny, Chautauqua, Erie, Genesee, Niagara, Orleans, and Wyoming. KHA 53 Rochester. The counties of Cayuga, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Ontario, Orleans, Seneca, Wayne, Wyoming, and Yates. Somet G539 Spencerport, Monroe County. WXN 68 Watertown. The counties of Jefferson, Lewis, Oswego, and St. Lawrence. WC 2536 Lyons. The counties of Wayne, Cayuga, Monroe, Ontario, and Seneca. WNG 541 Jamestown, Chautauqua County. We now return to regular programming. Open Lake forecast. This is the National Weather Service Office and State
Hurry up.
weather experienced in a while. These systems are normally conducted by the Weather Service between 11 and 5 each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of this specific area message in Toronto, this specific area. In Toronto. Following counties, forecast. Otter.